Okay, Shivam. So you are going for CTARA interview, and you are from automobile background, right?
Yes, sir.
I want your very brief introduction, right?
Okay, sir. My name is
And
Shivam.
also mention your CGPA and gate score in that.
Okay, sir. Sir, my name is Shivam Devangan. I basically belong to Durg district in Chhattisgarh. I have done my graduation in automobile stream from Rungta College of Engineering and Technology, Bhilai. And my gate score is 580, and my CGPA is 70. Actually, it is percentage. हमारे college में percentage चलता है, तो it is 78% almost.
Okay.
And I belong to OBC category.
Okay.
And at present, I am looking for opportunities to do masters in some top institutions in such a stream which matches my domain of interest and also the skills that I have. And
okay. Shivam, tell me, you have done your...
Yeah. Okay, sir. I must say that CTARA belongs to the top of my list.
Belongs to?
Top of my list.
List.
I mean,
list means?
I have some list in which I want to do masters, so CTARA belongs to top of that. That's it.
Okay, so why CTARA is in top of your list of master courses? What is the reason for that?
Sir, the basic reason is that I have spent many of my time in the villages, and I have seen the problems and challenges that they are facing. And also, my mother is a teacher in a government school, so she also keeps telling me about the problems and all. And I believe that majority of their problems can be solved by basic engineering applications.
Okay.
So I feel that it is good for me.
Okay, lekin Shivam, tell me, if you are interested in that particular domain, rural technology domain and all, why you did not pursue engineering in, let's say, agriculture or something? Why automobile engineering?
Sir, that time I was not aware of that. I took automobile because obviously I was interested. I am interested in some automobile machines and all. But when I came to know about the CTARA department last year and the objectives of the department, I was very much inclined towards that. So that is why.
Okay, why you are inclined for CTARA? You must have seen the website of CTARA, and I want to ask you, what attracts you the most in this department?
Sir, the one thing that
which course you are getting called? This is for MS, MTech or PhD? Which course?
Sir, it is not mentioned there. It is MS or MTech, TA or RA.
Okay.
Coming back to your question, the most that attracted me to the apply for the CTARA department was solving problems at the ground level, at the grassroots level, and that is what I think I'm more interested in, solving the problems at the grassroots level. That is why I have inclination towards CTARA.
So what is the meaning of that, solving problem at grassroots level? What is the meaning of that?
Just like programs like RISE that CTARA provides, in which we go to villages for a month or two and stay there and solve their problems, in fact making their life easy. It can be anything like would be aware that many of the villages still use earthen stove for their cooking, and the harmful gases that it releases is very harmful for their health. So it can be easily solved. I mean, it can be easily solved by just installing a chimney with some fan or maybe windmill type of fan, so that it does not require any electricity to rotate it. We can simply make it and make their life easy, basically. That is
okay,
how.
Shivam, what was your final year project?
My final year project was it was a design of 3-wheeler electric vehicle which can produce 10 kilowatt power and 100-kilometer range.
Okay, so what was new and novel in that?
So the new thing was that all the rickshaws, electric rickshaws that exist, it was not capable of producing 100-kilometer range and the power with that. So that was we tried to achieve. The cost went a little high, but somehow we achieved.
Okay, so Shivam, what is your take on electric vehicles? What do you think?
Sir, I believe that if infrastructure are proper, then we can definitely move forward for that. There is still some issues there, like uh, charging stations, and people are still मतलब लोग सोचते हैं कि हम ले या ना लें, so that has to be, मतलब भरोसा आना लोगों पे जरूरी है अभी.
Do you know something about e-mobility?
Yes, sir.
Okay, what is that?
E-mobility, sir, basically it is related with electric vehicles, ground vehicles.
Okay, as automobile engineer, how do you think you can contribute to the development of rural areas?
Sir, you would be aware that most of the agricultural activities now requires machines. So I can contribute in that field also. But apart from that, I believe that independent of the stream, I can contribute to it. Just like seeing the problem and approach the solution for that. Just like many villages have does not have proper infrastructure for water management system, waste management system. Like आपने देखा होगा कि rivers पे ऐसे या उनके ponds पे ऐसे ही बहुत सारे dust पड़े रहते हैं. So it can be easily solved by if I just make a boat. Just like JCB takes out mud from the ground and takes it away. Similarly, we can make a boat which can clean the basically pond or river that they have.
Okay.
And for water. And for
okay,
water.
Shivam, tell me, have you seen the curriculum of CTARA?
Not in briefly, but somehow.
Okay, so you have not seen anything, what course you are going to study and all in that CTARA?
I have seen the projects that they are working on. And I mean, I have seen the overview of that. Like projects like they are working in water resources, they are working in energy generation for rural areas. That's what I am aware of it. And
okay, what after CTARA? Once you graduate from this, what do you want to do?
So basically, I have a goal of working in some organization or NGO which is working towards development of rural areas. And apart from that, I have also thought of starting a startup which can basically make their life easy, make rural life easy. That's what I have thought.
What startup is there in your mind?
Nothing. I mean, anything. I mean, right now, I am not completely aware of their problems or what problems they are facing. I know some of them, like water management, waste management. So right now I have some ideas about that. Like water harvesting system, it is very easy to install, and it can be installed in most of the villages. And second problem is I told you about that stove problem and all.
Okay, have you heard about what is this Mahatma Gandhi Narega module?
Mahatma Gandhi Narega National Fellowship.
Not National Fellowship. I'm talking about Manrega.
Manrega.
Rural Employment Guarantee Scheme.
Okay. Sir.
Do you have any contact with rural areas?
Yes, sir.
Sure. Yeah.
Yes, sir. My grandparents live in rural areas, and my mother is a government teacher, so she also is in the government school. So I have some contact.
Can you link this Chhattisgarh में जो Naxalite problem है with socio-economic development of rural areas?
So I'm not very much aware of that, but let me try. Yes, there is a development definitely वहाँ पे रुका हुआ है because of this Naxal problem, and sir, I'm not completely aware of that, so I will not want to comment on that.
Tell me something about two-stroke and four-stroke engine.
Sir, two-stroke and four-stroke engines. So a two-stroke engine is an engine इसमें power produce होता है एक revolution of crankshaft है, मतलब एक दो stroke होते हैं उसमें, एक हो गया इस स्ट्रोक में पावर प्रोड्यूस होता है और दूसरा स्ट्रोक में सक्शन वगैरह होता है. एंड फोर्थ स्ट्रोक में क्या होता है कि 4 स्ट्रोक होते हैं, उसमें 2 रिवॉल्यूशन ऑफ क्रैंकशाफ्ट से पावर प्रोड्यूस होती है. लाइक एक स्ट्रोक में सक्शन होता है, फिर कंप्रेशन.
Which one is more efficient?
Efficient in terms of
In terms of efficiency only.
environment efficiency. So 2 stroke is more efficient.
Why?
Sir, because 2 stroke में यहाँ पे पावर मिल जा रहा है.
And which one is more powerful?
4 stroke is more powerful.
Are you sure?
Power.
Can you name the 4 strokes?
Yes, sir. Suction, compression, power stroke, and exhaust stroke. These are the 4 strokes.
Okay, and what about 2 stroke? Which are the 2 strokes?
The first stroke, suction and compression occur simultaneously, and in second stroke, power and power भी मिलता है, और exhaustion of smoke या भी अंदर मटेरियल है वो भी होता है.
Okay, so let me give you the feedback, Shivam. एक तो शिवम ये अपना इंटरनल कंबशन इंजन वाला जो टॉपिक है ना, इसको याद कर लो ढंग से, राइट? आईसी इंजन, योरपीडिया एजुकेशन पे एक मैराथन वीडियो पड़ा हुआ इंटरनल कंबशन इंजन का, उसको सुन लो. दैट इज 4 hours. 2 stroke is more efficient, more powerful, because every second stroke is a power stroke.
Okay, sir.
And it is not efficient because there is a fuel wastage.
Okay, so I told this wrong. Okay, sir.
You told this totally wrong, and that is a grave mistake on your part. 4 stroke में 4 stroke होते हैं और वो ज्यादा efficient होता है. और एग्रीकल्चरल डोमेन में अगर मेरे को कोई मशीन यूज करनी है घास काटने वाली, तो मैं 2 स्ट्रोक बनाऊंगा, बिकॉज पावर टू वेट रेशियो इज हाई. 2 स्ट्रोक में पावर टू वेट रेशियो इज वेरी हाई, हल्का होता है वो.
ओके, यस सर.
इसलिए मैं उसको एग्रीकल्चर फार्म्स के लिए यूज करूंगा.
ओके,
राइट? एंड दैट,
यस सर.
या तो डीजल बेस्ड मशीन अगर हम यूज कर सकते हैं उसके लिए. नाउ as automobile engineer, I will see some link between productivity and mechanization, use of machines and enhanced productivity of the agriculture product. आप बोलेंगे कि सर मैंने बहुत सी डेवलप्ड कंट्रीज के वीडियोस देखे हैं जहाँ पे वो मशीनों को यूज करते हैं, ह्यूमन पावर कम यूज करके मशीन को यूज करते हैं, तो पर यूनिट एरिया, पर एकड़, you can produce more crop, you know, and then you can make agriculture more beneficial for the farmers. तो गवर्नमेंट जो है फार्मर्स का इनकम को डबल करना चाहती है, उसी के लिए फार्म बिल लेके आई थी गवर्नमेंट. तो फार्म बिल का जो सारा झगड़ा चल रहा है वो भी थोड़ा रिवाइज कर लेना.
यस सर.
महात्मा गांधी नरेगा के बारे में पढ़ लो, फार्म बिल्स के बारे में पढ़ लो, एंड विजिट करो वेबसाइट ऑफ सटारा. उसमें देखो एज ऑटोमोबाइल इंजीनियर तुम्हारे लिए क्या है, कौन सी मशीन्स को यूज कर रहे हैं वो. व्हाई यू वांट टू ज्वाइन सटारा, इसका आंसर ही वहां से मिलेगा कि सर आई वाज गोइंग थ्रू द वेबसाइट, I came to know about CTARA from one of my senior who told me about this, or my teacher told me about this. As automobile engineer, I was fascinated for machines, and agriculture sector का main trouble ये है कि अभी उसको machines use नहीं करते हैं आप उसमें, तो productivity नहीं आएगी. तो I want to use machines in the agriculture sector. What kind of machines? वहां से तुम्हें idea लगेगा. You see developed countries which machines they are using in agriculture. Just type on Google machines used in agriculture domain. सटारा डिपार्टमेंट में जाओ और वहां तुम्हें दिख भी जाएगा. दूसरा स्किल एनहांसमेंट. एग्रीकल्चर डोमेन की 2 प्रॉब्लम है रूरल एरिया की. एक तो मशीनों का यूज नहीं है, और अगर मशीन ने तुम बना भी दो तो स्किल डेवलपमेंट नहीं है लोगों के पास. तो देयर इज अ मिनिस्ट्री ऑफ स्किल डेवलपमेंट एंड एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप, उसका भी नाम ले लेना बीच में, मिनिस्ट्री ऑफ स्किल डेवलपमेंट एंड एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप.
यस सर, आई हैव स्टडीड अबाउट दैट.
MSDE. हाँ, वो महात्मा गांधी नेशनल फेलोशिप वही देती है, उसी का प्रोग्राम है वो. तो ये 2-4 नाम लो, सो दैट इट लुक्स लाइक कि तुम वेल अवेयर होके जा रहे हो इस प्रोग्राम के लिए.
सर ये एग्रीकल्चर जो डोमेन है उसमें घुसना जरूरी है क्या? आई मीन मैंने सारा चीजें स्टडी की है, बट ये एग्रीकल्चर
आपने घुसोगे वो तुम्हें लेके जाएंगे. आप नहीं घुसोगे, वो ले जाएंगे तुम्हें, क्योंकि रूरल एरिया में चले गए और एग्रीकल्चर में नहीं गया, ऐसा हो ही नहीं सकता.
यस सर.
रूरल एरिया में और है क्या?
ओके.
व्हाट इज द सोर्स ऑफ इनकम for people in rural areas.
Farming is the basic income.
Farming is agriculture only.
Yes sir.
उसमें तो जाएगा ही वो.
हाँ.
You need to justify that as automobile engineer. Fine.
Yes sir.
ये सारे जो मैंने एक्टिविटीज बताया अभी इसको गो थ्रू करो, राइट?
Yes sir.
शिवम, so prepare well on this front.
Okay sir. I will.
Yeah. You want to say something?
Sir, how satisfactory was my response or answers?
So it was okay, लेकिन तुम्हें नॉलेज नहीं है ना चीजों का भी.
Okay.
जैसे तुम्हें इंटरनल कंबशन इंजन का गलत आंसर कर दिए, तुम्हारे पास इन क्वेश्चंस का भी आंसर नहीं कि क्यों करना चाहते हो ये सब चीजें. तो यू डू नॉट हैव दैट नॉलेज व्हिच इज रिक्वायर्ड एक्चुअली. एक तो वेबसाइट विजिट करो, फिर देखो कौन कौन सी मशीन्स हैं. मतलब यू आर नॉट कमिंग टू सटारा विद सम वेरी क्लियर फ्रेम ऑफ माइंड. यू आर कमिंग टू सटारा बिकॉज इट इज इन IIT Bombay. So I want you to come to Satara for rural technology. Satara में rural technology, not Bombay, IIT Bombay.
Yes sir.
Prove me that you are coming for rural technology to contribute into that and learn from it with clear vision that what you will do after this.
Okay. Sir, before the interview, I convinced myself that I will. मैं जो आंसर दूंगा, it is sufficient for to convince them, to convince you basically. So.
क्या लगा? कन्विंस कर दिया तुमने?
नहीं, मुझे नहीं लगा कि मैं ठीक से कर पाया. I mean, what should I add in the why CTARA? I mean, आपने बताया.
मैं बता रहा हूँ ना, why CTARA मैंने बताया दो चीज कि सर एक तो रूरल टेक्नोलॉजी, रूरल जब तक रूरल एरिया का डेवलपमेंट इंडिया में नहीं. आई एम फ्रॉम छत्तीसगढ़ एंड आई नो दैट development, socio-economic development is very important in the country, and socio-economic development of that part of India which is largely in rural area. 70% population lives in rural area. Uska development is very important, and this department deals with that only. So that is a link I want to join there. Now development how? Agriculture produce, वो कैसे? मैकेनाइज करके, मशीन यूज करके. एंड आई एम ऑटोमोबाइल इंजीनियर. अगर आप सिविल इंजीनियर होते तो मैं बोलता कि इरिगेशन करके, कंस्ट्रक्शन मैनेजमेंट करके. दिस इज हाउ यू हैव टू बेसिकली डू इट. डन?
Yes
चलो
sir.
उसका अपना साइट विजिट करो शिवम एंड प्रिपेयर वेल फॉर दैट. इंटरनल कंबशन इंजन रिवाइज करो, साइट विजिट करो, एंड स्किल डेवलपमेंट का जो मैंने 4-5 पॉइंट्स रखा है उनको रिवाइज करो, एंड देन योर आंसर विल बी मोर प्रोडक्टिव. अदरवाइज तुम्हारा आंसर मोर और लेस ऐसा लग रहा है कि यू हैव कम्युनिकेशन, यू हैव सेंटेंस फ्रेमिंग कैपेबिलिटी, बट नॉलेज नहीं है उसके अंदर, राइट?
Okay. Content नहीं है basically. Okay.
कंटेंट नहीं है तुम्हारे पास.
Okay. The confidence level and all. I mean.
That is okay, but टेक्नोक्रेट का कॉन्फिडेंस नॉलेज से होता है.
Okay.
कम्युनिकेशन से नहीं होता. यू आर नॉट लॉयर, राइट?
Yes sir.
यू आर अ टेक्नोक्रेट. तो तुम अगर बोलने में फंबल भी कर रहे हो,
Yes sir.
you understand? So even
Sir,
then
मैं ये mention कर सकता हूँ कि apart from technical skills, people skills are also required in this field. Is it so?
they will not get impressed much. They want to see the most important thing which you are missing. Please develop that first. बाकी सब तुम्हारे में जो है स्ट्रेंथ वो है, उस पे वर्कआउट क्यों करना चाह रहे हो? जो वीकनेस है उसको इंप्रूव करो ना यार.
Okay.
राइट?
ठीक है सर, मैं आज रात तक कर लेता हूँ.
ऑल द बेस्ट फॉर टुमारो.
Yes sir. Thank you sir.
ओके, श्योर.